Hello, my name is J.D. Schmidt with Ray Boats. Today we're going to check out the 270 Sun Deck. I'm excited to show you this truly remarkable boat, loaded to the brim with features engineered for a relaxing day on the water. With style and luxury you'd expect from Ray, one of the most impressive things about the 270 Sun Deck is its versatility. No matter what your idea of the perfect day on the water is, this boat is ready to do it all. With more space than any other 27-foot deck boat on the market, this yacht certified Sun Deck is capable of seating as many as 15 adults while underway. Load up all your friends and gear and you'll find there's plenty of space left for all the memories you'll want to bring back to shore. Plus, with Ray's legendary ride and innovation, the 270 is packed with luxurious features while maintaining its flexible floor plan. Let's take a closer look. Up front, you've got an open, spacious bow with plenty of depth, more than enough room for passengers to spread out. Beneath this front deck is a nicely secured 4-step stainless steel ladder that's easily deployed for access into the boat. You can see under here, this is nice and smooth. That's because Ray uses a special closed molded process to make this part smooth on the inside and the outside. And the hatch closes with a stainless steel latch to keep it secure and free from the rattling you might find on other brands. To the left, you'll find a standard wash-down sprayer so you can rinse down your anchor before stowing it. And here's a perfect place to store that anchor, this large compartment below the front cushion. Beneath both of the hinged bow seat cushions, you can access the large fiberglass self-draining storage wells. And you can see how perfectly positioned these armrests are to maximize comfort. No more fighting over the best seat in the house. Each has a cup holder positioned beneath the seat and out of the way. You've got 2 speakers up front and another 2 in the cockpit. For an even better sound, upgrade to the premium stereo complete with an amp and subwoofer. You can also select an optional table and mount with dedicated storage beneath the deck or filler cushions to turn the bow into a spacious sun pad. Coming back towards the cockpit, you'll find a nice sturdy windshield. You can see it's got plenty of strength to support you as you get in and out of the helm. Beneath it, there's an integrated standard block-off door. Sometimes that wind can get chilly, so it's nice to be able to block it off. The door secures easily to the port side helm. Beneath the starboard helm, you'll see a large storage well. It also houses the stereo, an additional 12-volt outlet, and a shelf to store your phone or accessories while you're charging them up. At the helm, you'll find a beautifully laid out dash with nice finished rich textures that complement all the gauges. To the left, a small storage compartment for your phone or wallet with a built-in 12-volt power supply. Another great feature of the 270 Sun Deck is the helm remote control for the stereo. On the dash, you've got full instrumentation with built-in SmartCraft diagnostics. Aircraft-style toggle switches light up for added safety. Over here, you've got your trim tab switches and a nice custom-made steering wheel built just for Ray. And of course, it tilts to the driver's preference. The helm seat itself can be adjusted fore and aft to maximize comfort for a variety of drivers. Another great feature is the flip-up thigh-rise cushion to give you a clear view while underway. The angled fiberglass floor at the base of the helm helps give you the perfect stable position to get the wind in your hair and enjoy a nice long cruise. Up on the port dash, you'll find a small storage compartment for your keys. Beneath the port dash, the 270 features a nice, comfortable head. In this case, you can see the porta potty with pump out, but we also offer as an option a more traditional vacuum flush toilet with holding tank. In the head, there's also an onboard sink and even a little window for some ventilation. And of course, when you're not using it as a head, it serves as a great storage compartment for all sorts of gear. The port seating also has the flip-up thigh-rise cushion so the passenger can get up over the windshield as well. What's really cool about both helm seats is the convertible backrest. As you can see, easily adjust for the conversation in the cockpit. There's plenty of storage beneath the lounge cushions. Here you'll find both bow and cockpit tables stored nice and clean. Beneath the starboard lounge, another storage well for your carry-on cooler. In addition to the below deck up front, you got another storage well right here in the cockpit. Under the rear seat, the corner cushion reveals an integrated step to help get in and out from the port side. To the left, you've got access to the engine's battery and onboard battery switch. The 270 Sun Deck comes standard with a bimini top for added protection on those long days in the sun. To reduce shaking and side shifting that you'll experience with many other deck boats, our standard bimini comes fitted with a support arch that easily lowers. There's also an optional folding tower with integrated bimini for water sports enthusiasts. Walking out to the swim platform is easy thanks to a dedicated walkthrough. And as you see, there's a built-in step here to make it easier to board at the dock. There's also a built-in transom door to help keep small dogs and kids safely inside the cockpit. Right here, there's an additional shower to rinse off, and here's another storage well. And like you saw up front, this hatch is a nice smooth fiberglass finish on both sides. And a stainless steel latch keeps it secure while underway. One of my favorite features on the 270 is the large sun pad. It can easily host 2 or 3 people, and to really make it comfortable, just pull up on this cushion for a nice supportive sit-up lounge. It offers an unobstructed view of those incredible landscapes. You can see the cup holders conveniently placed within arm's reach, as well as an additional 12-volt outlet to keep your phone charged as you control the stereo via Bluetooth. Under the port side of the transom seating, there's another nice big storage compartment for skis and other water toys that's easily accessible from the back. The sun pad lifts up for access to the gel-coated, noise-insulated engine compartment. This particular stern drive 270 Sun Deck performs very well with its MerCruiser 350 mag with 300 horsepower. If you're looking for more power, there are also several other V8 options available. The 270 Sun Deck is also available with multiple outboard engines without sacrificing any cockpit space. The oversized swim platform makes it easy to get on and off the boat. You can opt for the C-deck matting for cushioning when climbing on and additional grip when putting on your board. You've also got an underwater stainless steel 3-step ladder to help you climb in, as well as this perfectly positioned grab handle. Notice here the standard stainless steel ski toe. You can also opt for this manual submersible swim step so you can actually get in and cool off in the water at anchor. Pretty nice option for those hot summer afternoons. Look how easy it is to lower into the water, and it's equally simple to raise back up to the swim platform. Let's talk quality and design for just a minute. Sea Ray employs a world-class team committed to designing, engineering, and building the world's best boats. From our dedicated product development facility on the east coast of Florida, we can thoroughly develop, test, and perfect each model before it ever goes into production. This sort of attention to detail has helped give Sea Ray its award-winning customer satisfaction year after year. The 270 Sun Deck utilizes our unique Grip 6 hull design that incorporates 6 full-length strakes along the bottom of the hull with aggressive outer edges or chines. These strakes and chines provide lift, improve tracking, and soften the ride. The extra width combined with the Grip 6 hull design delivers an on-water experience second to none. Bottom line, this Sea Ray goes where you point it like a sports car while maintaining the safety, control, and comfort you want with your family on board. Choose from a vibrant array of fade-resistant gel coat colors to reflect your style. I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of the Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. I can talk all day about this beautiful boat, but nothing can truly convey the excellence built into every design unless you drive it for yourself. You'll begin to see why Sea Ray is renowned as the front-running luxury boat builder with award-winning customer satisfaction. For Sea Ray Boats, I'm JD Schmid, and I can't wait to see you and your family on the water.